Hello everyone, it's Melanie once again. Thank you so much for being here, watching my vlog. And today, I'm going to pack my things back to my luggage because I'm going back to Manila anytime this week. Okay, samahan nyo ako guys pag-impake. So, nailagay ko na yung mga damit dito. So, ilalagay ko na lang siya sa aking luggage para mas madali at hindi na magulo. Actually, konti na lang ang mga damit kong iuwi sa Manila. And ito na yung aking luggage. Dito ko ilalagay ang mga nakahanda na. Yeah, mas convenient kasi pag nakapack na siya and then I will put it inside my luggage like this. Ganyan lang, kadali. And we're here sa bridge going to the airport. Ayan, medyo walang traffic today. So, mabilis lang kaming makarating sa airport. Actually, malapit lang kami sa airport. Kasi nakatira kami sa may Mandaue lang.
Naglaag na po.
Yes, naglaag ta. So, ito mo ito kay Kudawi ay.
Mag-diet ka, mag-calorie deficit ka nga to sa Manila, mag-zero.
So, we're here at Mactan International Airport. And thank you sa aking cousin sa paghatid sa amin dito sa airport. Papunta kami ngayon doon sa may Baghdad. And we're here, falling in line. Yan, dito kami magbabag drop kasi tapos na kami mag-online check-in. So, magbabag drop lang kami dito. Ito yung bag namin. Ayan, nakabalot siya ng Hello Kitty. Magbag drop lang kami dito sa aming mga luggage. Hi, Shan!
Hello.
We're here. Gate 5. Gate 8. O, buy muna tayo ng donut. Are you excited na? Uwi ka na ng Manila? We're boarding. Ayan, kami sa airplane pa mo.
Should you prefer to add repeated, please call the attention for your
Because there is a charger. Do you want anything? Okay. So, you want anything here? No, you can eat that. I think this is a pre-order or ito pre-order online. No, here. You want to order something? Or no? You choose. Coca-Cola? Okay. So how much is the Coca-Cola here is? 120. Okay. The Coca-Cola here is 120. But I want this piatos. And the... Hawak na. Oh, the juice. Eh, hindi pa malamig siya. And I'm having mango juice and piatos. How was it?
It was good. It was good.
Cabin crew will now take their seats prior to landing.
Dito talaga ako umuupo sa bandang aisle. Ayaw ko doon sa may window side. Pero last time, nakaupo si Shan sa window side because wala kaming kasama sa seat namin at that time. Pero ngayon, meron kaming kasama isang babae nakaupo sa window side. And maganda ang aming paglipad. Medyo maganda ang panahon. Hindi siya cloudy din. Kaya hindi bumpy. Ayun. So, parang relax lang talaga ang flight namin ngayon. At isa pa, hindi siya na-delay. Dati pag nagpa-fly ako ng mag-isa, talagang natutulog ako. Pero ngayon, kasama ko si Sean palagi sa akin mga flight. Kaya hindi ako makakatulog kasi meron akong kausap. Ayun. So, enjoy lang ang flight namin today. Kalanding na tayo. Almost. And we're about to land. We're here in Manila. We're about to land. We're about to land. Shan. In 5. It's touching down. We're in Manila. Maganda ang aming pag-landing. Hindi makita. We're here. Yay! Nakaland na kami.
Welcomes you to Ninoy Aquino International Airport in Manila. Kalalabag lamang po natin sa paliparang pagdaigdig ng Ninoy Aquino. Maligayang pagdating sa Manila. We are now taxiing towards Naiya Terminal 3 for your proper parking and safe disembarkation. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is strictly prohibited while the main cabin doors are closed.
Yan, karating lang namin dito sa Manila. Daan tayo ng toilet. This is why Lola doesn't want to travel because she needs to walk by herself a long way, right? Anong flight yan? Ah, maybe the other one yan. Yung kanina pa. Hi, Shan! Ito na kami sa airport. Uy! Alis ka na! Ito na yung bahay ko. Ayan na. Nagso na.
Supposed to.
Hello! Andito na kami sa Manila. Sunundo kami nila Bernadette, Stacy, tsaka ni William. Haggard na ako. Thank you, Stacy, sa pag-drive. And this is my daughter, Bernadette. Hello, guys! Andito na ako sa bahay. Ayan, nakauwi na kami ng... Dumating na kami dito sa bahay namin. Ayan, tuwang-tuwa si Bella. Bella! Ayan si Bella. Ayan. And thank you for watching. Bye!